that'll do. Started off the day with a couple little high-speed things and switch gears into trials mode, and I'm riding trees like I always do. That wasn't what I wanted, but it's pretty cool, so let's take it and move on. There's a trick that I came up with last time I was here, and it's up to nose stall and then reverse the spin in the nose stall to 270 out. And yeah, I got rained out last time, and it's a sunny day this time, so we'll see if I can do it. This one's really hard because you have to get the stall perfect and get that front tire to grip in order to initiate the spin back the other way. Did I just do that first try? After reviewing the footage, I have determined that that was good enough. This is just a vlog after all. I guess today's a first try day. Maybe I should push myself a little bit more and start doing some tricks. How about tire tap on the little edge bar out? I hope that looked cool, because that took a lot of tries. I hope that looked as scary as it was. Check out how big this ledge is that I was landing on. I was afraid that either my back tire was going to slip and I was going to land on my back, or my front tire was going to slip and I was going to land on my face. So happy I did that one today. You know, I was planning on getting a bunch of lines downtown, but it's really busy down there. I think everybody's enjoying the last rays of sunshine before winter hits. So yeah, I wasn't sure I was going to get much done today, but I seem to be landing most things first try, which is good. I filmed this one already, but the sound cut out on me, so I'm going to try it again. Manual to front tire bonk over the rail. It would be nice to find a real setup for that one, like a sub box maybe. Here's a tree that was cut down that I haven't found before. It's an uphill run up and a massive up. See how many tries this takes me. way bigger than I thought. More speed, I think. It takes so much effort just to get to it. I knew it was there. I might finish with this classic line. Balance line to big drop at the end.